Hi. Inside Max, when you create an object, you can see that some spinners present some default values. For example, for the segments in the teapot, the default is 8. Here for the tube, the height segments, the default is 5, cap segments 1, sides 18. So if I change these values, at any moment, if I like to bring those values back to their defaults, press Ctrl on the keyboard and right-click the spinner. And as you can see, these values are back to their defaults. Here, for the teapot, Ctrl+Right-Click, and it's 8 again. Now, another thing, using right-click alone without the control will bring the value in the spinner to its minimum value allowed. Here, for example, the first radius is 0, right-click. Some values cannot go below 1, for example, here for the height segment. If I increase it and right-click, it will be 1. For the sides, right-click, cannot go lower than 3. These minimum, of course, are set by the developers. Now, if I press Ctrl and right-click, it's back to its default value. So anyway, right-click will bring the value to its minimum. Ctrl+Right-Click will bring the value to its default. And this works anywhere inside Max. So that's it for this quick tip tutorial. Hope you like it. If you do, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.